There is no need to wheelbarrow and shovel concrete to post holes that are difficult to reach. The auger bucket is operated by one person who can easily move from hole to hole. The auger bucket accurately and neatly puts concrete in the hole with no spillage. Engage the auxiliary hydraulics for controlled discharge of the concrete. Turn the auger forward to discharge the material. Post holes are easily filled with the tallet auger bucket. Quick attach frames on the front and the back of the auger bucket allows you to hook up to a skid steer for right and left hand discharge. The unit comes with 2 chute sizes and is available with 3 augers. The concrete dispensing auger to dispense concrete material poured into the bucket. The mixing dispensing auger to mix concrete right in the bucket before dispensing, and the sand dispensing auger for filling sandbags. Fill the auger bucket with up to 1/2 yard cement mix and easily fill post holes. The unit is also available with an optional 1 yard hopper extension. The tallet auger bucket makes putting up fence posts easy.